All right, the IPL is long over, but the controversies continue. Delhi seamer Pradeep Sangwan, who plays for the Kolkata Knight Riders, failed a random dope test during the tournament. According to the PTI, Sangwan has been found to have consumed banned drugs. A BCCI official confirmed that traces have been found in his A and B sample. Let's try and find out more from our sports editor Gaurav Kalra, who is going to join us in just a bit with more on the details that we are getting in on this big news. A BCCI official has confirmed that traces have been found in his A sample and B sample, and that will also be sent for tests. The Indian Cricket Board doesn't follow the rules of the World Anti-Doping Agency. It has its own code, but action will be taken once all those results are available, is what we are being told. Our sports editor Gaurav Kalra joining us now for more. Gaurav, what do we know? How did this emerge that he failed some dope tests?
Yeah, we're just picking this information up, Ananya, that this has been a random dope test conducted during the IPL, and he's happens to have failed it. Obviously, he's just failed the A sample. They've just tested the A sample at the moment, and the B sample is yet to be tested. I believe Sangwan is currently in the UK. He's undergone an operation, so he is there at the moment. There has been no comment from him yet, but the history of this is obviously well known with cases such as the Mohammad Asif, Shoaib Akhtar case in the past, where cricketers have failed dope tests earlier. However, more details are likely to emerge as time goes on. What is likely to happen though is, if this test is in fact confirmed in the B sample, then Sangwan does face a sanction from the BCCI, because they do have their own anti-doping code under which this will fall.
Gaurav, what action can be taken if he is found guilty?
Well, the code will specify that, Ananya, and it will be quite stern, because Indian cricketers in the past, there have been no instances of Indian cricketers in the past having been found guilty of having committed a dope-related offence. Also, it is well known that the BCCI has an objection to things such as the whereabouts clause in the WADA code, where cricketers are meant to give information out about where they will be, so that tests can be conducted. These tests are conducted before and after during an IPL match, and it's a random test. So if a player is caught in this situation, it remains to be seen whether he has been found guilty of, or he has been found to have taken substances that are either for performance enhancing, or they are recreational drugs. All that remains to be seen yet.